Algebra 1 EOC Star Review. This is Category 4 Quadratics on page 17 in your booklet. We're going to first look at quadratic characteristics on page 17. Here we have a quadratic or a parabola facing down. First characteristic is to identify the vertex. We know the vertex is the turning point or where the graph changes direction. So we see the change of the direction at the parabola's maximum, in which is at the point 5, 8. The axis of symmetry, we know always passes through the middle of the vertex. So it's the vertical line that passes through the middle of the vertex. So we write that equation as x equals positive 5. X-intercept, where the graph crosses the x-axis, we can go ahead and plot points on the x-axis, and we see that it crosses two places. So this parabola would have two x-intercepts, and they are at the points 1, 0 and 9, 0. The y-intercept, where the graph crosses the y-axis, and that's located here at the point 0, 5, down 5 units. Zeros, those are, remember, the exact same thing as our x-intercepts. So we had two zeros, one at positive 1 and one at 9. So we'd say x is 1 and 9. Factors, remember, are just the opposite of our zeros. So our 0 is x equal to positive 1. We'd write the factor as x minus 1. If there was a second 0 at x equals 9, that factor would be x minus 9. So your factors read x minus 1 times x minus 9. The domain is all x values from left to right. This graph would travel infinitely to the left and continue infinitely to the right. So we'd say all real numbers. Range is y values from down to up. So going down, it goes forever down. So it's down here at negative infinity, and it goes up, 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 all the way to positive 8. So we'd say all y values need to be less than or equal to positive